Hi. Let's continue with simple rotations using Mecha single axis. For continuous left rotation, press and hold the left arrow button. The rotational speed when a button is held down can be set on the config page. Set it to 0 to be able to make very precise alignments using the controller buttons. For continuous right rotation, press and hold the right arrow button. If for some reasons, you want to reverse the direction of horizontal simple rotations, you can use the 2313 code. So press 2, 3, 1, 3. Then the left arrow button. The top LED under the battery symbol should turn green, and the bottom LED, red. After this change, for example, the right arrow button will rotate the system to the left. Please note that this code does not change the rotation of the motor. Use the same code to cancel this change. Now, when you press and hold the left arrow button, the rotation is to the right. Thank you for watching.